Check out the incredible male greater sage-grouse, a true showstopper of the wild. Every spring, a remarkable spectacle unfolds in the sagebrush country of North America. Males of the largest grouse species on the continent gather in special areas called leks to show off their amazing courtship display. With dramatic flair, these fascinating birds perform an elaborate mating dance, puffing up their chests, fanning out their long, pointed tail feathers, and inflating bright yellow air sacs to create a unique popping sound. This captivating display is like nature's own tap dance, designed to attract females. Don't miss out on more amazing wildlife moments. Subscribe now.